What happens if you eat one peach every day? Peaches, a type of stone fruit, can be found in Europe, North America, and South America. While they were historically believed to originate from China, peaches are now grown in various climates and enjoyed worldwide. With their yellow-orange color and fuzzy skin, peaches belong to the same fruit family as nectarines, apricots, cherries, and Japanese plums. Renowned for their sweet and delightful taste, peaches are not only delicious but also highly versatile. They are often used in the production of jams, preserves, jellies, and juices, adding to their value. Additionally, peaches are rich in beneficial nutrients that play vital roles in maintaining good health. Their abundance of these essential nutrients makes them a valuable addition to one's diet. Nutritional profile of peaches. In a medium-sized peach weighing around 150 grams, you can find a variety of beneficial nutrients. With a relatively low calorie content of 63 calories, it is considered a low-density fruit. This peach also provides 2.3 grams of dietary fiber, which accounts for 8% of the recommended daily intake, along with a significant water content of 132.5 grams. Peaches are rich in several vitamins, including vitamin A, 36 micrograms, and vitamin B2, 0.047 milligrams, which contribute to 4% of the daily requirements each. They also contain 1.21 grams of vitamin B3, 8% of the daily requirement, 6.2 milligrams of vitamin C, 7% of the daily requirement, 1.1 milligrams of vitamin E, 7% of the daily requirement, and 4.5 micrograms of vitamin K, 4% of the daily requirement. Furthermore, peaches are a good source of minerals such as copper, providing 13% of the daily requirement. They also contain 183 milligrams of potassium, 4% of the daily value, and 3.15 micrograms of selenium, 6% of the daily value. In addition, peaches contribute 3% of the daily requirements for iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Incorporating peaches into your diet can help you enjoy these essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to your overall nutritional intake. Here are some of the health benefits of peaches. 1. Helps with digestion. Peaches contain both fiber and water, which offer advantages in promoting gut health and alleviating constipation. The fiber present in peaches serves as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut microorganisms. By enhancing the diversity and population of gut microflora, peaches can contribute to the prevention and management of various diseases. Moreover, the fiber content in peaches adds bulk to the stool, facilitating its movement through the colon. Numerous studies have demonstrated that incorporating fiber into the diet can help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, particularly in children. By improving digestion and promoting regular bowel movements, peaches can play a role in maintaining a healthy gastrointestinal system. 2. Keeps the heart healthy. Fruits and vegetables that are rich in polyphenol and carotenoids have been recognized for their positive impact on heart health. Studies conducted on animals have shown that peach juice has protective effects against factors that contribute to heart diseases. It has been observed to lower cholesterol levels, decrease inflammation, improve insulin resistance, and help regulate high blood sugar levels. Additionally, peach juice has been found to reduce blood pressure by inhibiting the hormone responsible for hypertension. In a Chinese study, peaches were identified as one of the top sources of flavonoids, which are beneficial plant compounds. Consumption of peaches was associated with reduced triglyceride levels and exhibited a protective effect on heart health. Including peaches in your diet can contribute to the overall well-being of your cardiovascular system. 3. Maintain skin health. Peaches are abundant in vitamin C, and the significance of vitamin C in maintaining skin health is well established. Acting as a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C plays a crucial role in eliminating harmful free radicals that contribute to skin damage and aging. It aids in repairing the skin's natural barrier and provides protection against the harmful effects of UV radiation from the sun. Furthermore, peaches are rich in ceramides, which play a role in regulating the moisture levels and permeability of the skin. Studies conducted on human skin cells have demonstrated that consuming peaches, with their natural ceramides, can enhance water retention and improve the texture of the skin. By incorporating peaches into your diet, you can benefit from their nourishing properties for healthier and more radiant skin. 4. Promotes healthy vision. Peaches contain a wealth of compounds that contribute to improved eye health. A study involving African American women revealed that consuming 2 servings of peaches per week reduced the likelihood of developing glaucoma, a condition characterized by optic nerve damage and vision loss. Peaches are also rich in carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which play a crucial role in reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related eye degeneration. By incorporating peaches into your diet, you can support and maintain the health of your eyes, promoting clear vision and protecting against common eye conditions. 5. May support a healthy pregnancy. Peaches offer a range of nutrients that can be highly beneficial when incorporated into the diet of a pregnant woman. The fiber found in peaches can help alleviate the common issue of constipation experienced during pregnancy. Additionally, research suggests that a fiber-rich diet can reduce the risk of preeclampsia, manage weight gain, and regulate blood sugar levels. Peaches are also abundant in important minerals, particularly copper, selenium, and zinc, which play a crucial role in supporting a healthy pregnancy and preventing heart defects in newborns. By including peaches in their diet, pregnant women can avail themselves of these valuable nutrients, promoting overall well-being for both themselves and their developing baby. 6. May be beneficial for allergies. When individuals come into contact with allergens, histamines are the substances responsible for triggering allergic symptoms. Research indicates that extracts derived from peach seeds can effectively inhibit the release of histamines, thereby reducing inflammation caused by allergens. Peach seeds contain a nut-like kernel within their shells, which can be processed into powders or oils for therapeutic use. However, it is important to seek guidance from a medical professional before incorporating these extracts into your diet or using them for allergy management. 7. Reduces depression. Peaches are a rich source of minerals that have been linked to a lower risk of depression. The presence of copper and selenium in peaches is associated with improved mental well-being, and scientific reviews of studies have shown that selenium supplementation can alleviate depressive symptoms. Incorporating peaches into a well-balanced diet may be beneficial for promoting good mental health and overall well-being. 8. Boosts immunity. Peaches are abundant in nutrients that enhance the immune system, including vitamins A and C, which play vital roles in supporting the body's defense against infections. Vitamin C specifically enhances the function of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and reducing illness duration. Additionally, peaches possess antibacterial properties and have been shown to inhibit the growth of Candida, a fungus associated with urinary tract infections. 9. May reduce the risk of cancer. The presence of carotenoids and various nutrients in peaches offers protective benefits against cancer. The polyphenol found in peaches have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of breast cancer cells. Notably, they selectively target cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unaffected, making them a valuable addition in the battle against cancer. These effects were observed when consuming 2 to 3 peaches daily, highlighting the potential of incorporating peaches into a cancer-fighting regimen. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.